I am so happy to reply to your questions on my Twitter, Michel Meditates, and also on the TV online, michelpascal.tv. Today we have a question very interesting from Alina. Alina, she lives in Ukraine and also in Israel, and she asks questions very interesting about psychological and spiritual. What is the difference? Because she doesn't feel good, so she needs to go, and we need to go to psychological, like a therapist. So, what is the difference between psychological and spiritual? When we go to a therapist, we talk, and we need to talk. It's very important. Because most of the time we keep a lot of suffering. It can be a traumatism, for example, that we keep, and it's too much painful, it's a big frustration. So we need to go to a psychologist and to talk. It's half of the way. But it's not enough, because what we can do when we talk, we need to do more. We need to recycle. What can we do with our traumatism? It's good to talk, but we must do more. We must detox the traumatism. We must take out the traumatism. We must recycle. We must change the dark in light. And when we feel inside us the energy of the suffering, we must learn how to change. We must learn to identify the moment inside our mind the suffering starts. The process of the depression, for example, starts. It's so important because naturally what we do, we breathe in, we breathe out, we recycle. Oxygen all the time. Naturally we recycle. So in spirituality we go back to our nature and we learn by visualization, by practice. We learn how to discern the moment the wave of the suffering starts. We catch the wave and we take out, we recycle, we transform the suffering in a light energy, and we feel better immediately. And more we train like that every day, more naturally, like we breathe, we learn to transform, we learn to use our traumatism, our depression, our suffering. And what we discover? We discover that our problems, it's our teacher, it's our child. We can take our depression in our arms and say, thank you, my depression, thank you, my addiction, thank you, my traumatism. You are a good teacher for me, and I need to take care of you. It's good to talk about you, but mustn't talk. I must be concrete. I must help you to fly. It's like we have a bird in a cage and we open the cage and the bird can fly. To talk about a bird in a cage, it's a thing. To open the cage and to learn how to help the bird to fly, it's another practice, it's another technique, it's another discipline. I remember my friend Dr. Geberovitch in Paris. He is one of the highest therapists in France. And when they say, Michel, yes, I don't know how to recycle a traumatism. I can identify a traumatism. I can help you to remember something. But after, I say, practice, I don't know what exactly. So we see spirituality and psychological must be hand by hand in a complementary way. It's important to talk, but it's very, very important to use the traumatism to recycle, to transform all time, and to be free and to fly like a bird. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.